Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is earthly masculine's message to his earthly feminine. So let us see what is earthly masculine's message to his earthly feminine. Okay, you can see. While in this journey, I have learned to myself with higher dimensions and balance between higher dimensions and earth. Okay, so he's telling that while traveling in this journey of meeting you or manifesting you, whatever it is, manifesting is twin flame. Okay, he has learned everything about what is there in this earthly realms and what is there in the higher dimensions, being from the earth, how to travel to the higher dimensions. And so being on the earth, always how to embody that higher dimension and live within in higher dimension. So now he knows the duality. Okay, lower dimension, higher dimension, everything he knows, duality, good, bad, positive, negative, everything. So now he has learned to balance the duality, and from balance to come into oneness and always stay in that oneness. That is what his message tells. This next message is, I want to forget you and move on with my practical life. But the more I want to forget you, the more I'm remembering you. It's suffocating me. Okay, so actually, the masculine loves you more deeply. That is why the suffocation is also more. So in to escape from the suffocation, he wants to forget you. But the more he wants to forget you, the more he remembers you. So he does not know what to do. So already he is suffering, and he keeps on remembering you is also suffocating him more. That is what he is conveying. This is your today's message. So let us meet in tomorrow's message tomorrow. Until then, bye.